Lightweight Smart Wi-Fi Monitoring Kit. Smart protection from now on wireless is possible. Equipped with cutting-edge Wi-Fi 6 technology, it has stronger signal penetration, is not afraid of wall obstruction, and has a longer transmission distance. Say goodbye to complex wiring and debugging. Eliminate the need for code pairing design. Quickly add devices, truly achieve plug-and-play functionality, and generate drawings quickly, featuring a push-to-replace hard drive design. It's easy for non-professionals to operate, providing peace of mind and comprehensive protection for homes, shops, and small businesses. The kits are available in a variety of types and can be flexibly adapted to all scenarios to meet the personalized security needs of different environments. Equipped with multiple language options. After the user selects the language, the front end and back end of the system will automatically synchronize the language of the selected language with the language of the recorded audio. Supports 5 AI capture functions, enabling more accurate intelligent recognition. 1. Face capture. It automatically captures and records faces and quickly retrieves relevant videos from the captured images, making the movement of people clear at a glance. 2. Vehicle capture and recognition. Automatically captures vehicle images and quickly retrieves the entire recording via image search. No parking zones can be set, and alarms are triggered for illegal parking, thus regulating parking order.
No parking zones. Automatic capture throughout. Please leave immediately.
3. Human image capture and recognition. Automatically captures images of people and allows for quick retrieval of the entire recording via image to video search. Supports defining designated areas and immediately alerts if someone lingers beyond the designated time.
Private residents, do not approach. Private residents, do not approach.
4. Pet capture and recognition. The system will immediately capture photos and record the pet's movements and trajectory when it enters the designated area. If a pet goes missing, the captured images can be used to quickly locate the activity footage, ensuring your pet's safety. 5. Package capture and recognition. The system captures images as soon as a package is placed in the designated area, facilitating tracking of the recipient and reducing lost or misplaced packages. It intelligently monitors packages within the designated area and automatically alerts recipients if unclaimed within a specified time.
Your package has been there for 5 minutes. Please pick it up as soon as possible.
Support image search. Simply click on a reference image of the target object, such as a person, face, package, vehicle, or pet, and the system will automatically perform AI comparison on all the videos to quickly locate all the scenes and times when the target appeared. It supports practical functions such as broadcast group calls and two-way voice intercom, and has the world's first real-time two-way voice recording function, which completely preserves the communication content, facilitates playback and evidence collection, and provides strong support for scene management and dispute resolution. Simplify security with technology and safeguard daily life with intelligence. The lightweight smart Wi-Fi monitoring kit, adhering to the original intention of intelligent protection. Simple yet extraordinary, makes security clear at a glance and management convenient and efficient.